Hi everyone, welcome back to my beginner lash extension technique series. Today we're going to be talking about isolation. Isolation is essential to having good, healthy sets of lashes. What you're going to need today is a pair of isolating tweezers, some classic lashes, a friend, or a mannequin head if you would like. Products are linked below. Let's go ahead and get started. As I mentioned in the intro, to keep lashes healthy, we always only apply one fan or classic lash to one natural lash. This way, when the lash is ready to shed naturally, it can do so easily. A great isolator is going to be sharp and has the perfect amount of tension to rest in an easy open position. My favorite isolator is the curved isolator. It has just the perfect shape for max visibility and a nice medium tension to keep my hands super comfy. Lashes grow in layers and in different directions, and you might be watching this thinking, oh my gosh, how am I going to do this? My answer is just do it over and over again, and before you know it, it will be like second nature. A pro tip is use both of your tweezers to help you isolate. 2 is always better than 1. The other trick here for you is once you find the lash that you want to place it on, you'll need to hold it there as you're pulling your fan. This also takes a little time to master, but once a little muscle memory kicks in, you won't even think about it. Now that you're an isolating pro, you're ready to create beautiful and healthy sets of lashes. If you want to learn more about this technique or all of our others, you can sign up for our online campus and one-on-one mentoring in the description. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram at borboleta.artist. This is where we talk about our blueprints, our tips and tricks, and so many other things that you're gonna love seeing. Make sure to like and subscribe, and also let me know in the comments what you want to see more of. We'll see you guys next time.